Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rusty Goddess Resale. Today is a vlog. We're going to be selling to all three buy sell trade stores where I am taking all of my bins items that I hauled. The last haul, the ones that I separated out specifically for these three stores. I'm going to show you the results of how much cash I get. Hopefully, I got 94 pounds. They charge I think $1.56 at my bin. So I'll put right here the total that I spent on the entire haul, and let's see if we can make that back just by taking the buy sell trade stuff to the buy sell trade stores. So I'm going to look for some stuff to sell while they're going through my items. So first stop is Once Upon a Child. I have one clear Sterilite bin full of stuff, probably 20 pounds. Let's see. Okay, so I am back in the car. I found a bunch of stuff for my kid's birthday, which was awesome because it was way cheaper than it would be retail. Lots of Jurassic World stuff. Whoop, whoop. So that was a win, but I did get $46 and some change from Once Upon a Child. They took most of my bin, which goes to show that they do buy year-round stuff because I brought mainly winter stuff, which I didn't think they were gonna buy, but they ended up buying most of my bins. So that was awesome. So $46 off of my total from the other day. Here is what I have left to make back. Let's see if I can make it back with the next two stops. So the first stop was Style Encore. I found this Marc Jacobs. I think it's called the box bag. It was $80, which is a lot more than they normally price them. I did not get it. I did find some scuffs on it. That sweater was $11, and I thought the tag looked really nice, but it wasn't anything. Angelo something. I'm going way too fast, but again, these brands are something that their AI system did not pick up. That was $13. Both of those were not good. These are I just thought they were different, so I grabbed them. They are Smoke Rise jeans, but the comps were not there on those. And I just like to grab anything that looks different and weird. Those were Seed and Sewn. The comps were not very good on those. They were, I think, $18. Yeah, $18. The next one were Smith & Mills jeans, and they were new with tags, so I decided to look those up. Those weren't very good either. They were $20. These Levi's, they're the premium quality ones, which are the ones that apparently you do want to look for. Comps were kind of all over the place, so I didn't want to pay $22 for those. But yeah, that quality Levi's premium tag is what you want to look for those. And here's the ones that I am getting. These I can't even say the name. Gerbod jeans. I'll go through that later, but they were only $14 and comps looked pretty solid on those. These Baldwin jeans I did decide to get even though comps weren't the best, but they are a newer style and pretty desirable for men for that brand. They paid $20 for those, and the Citizens of Humanity premium vintage jeans are the ones that you want to look for. And I paid $22 for them, and yeah, should be able to get good money for those. These Nudie jeans, I've never heard of that brand before, but comps seemed pretty solid. I think it's probably a brand that's sold in another country because most comps are from another country, like the UK sellers. And so I picked those up, should be able to get 50 to 60 for those. And I did end up getting this Y2K style jacket, which I'll go through later because it was very, very hard to get that on camera. Okay, I know I look like a wreck today, but I just had to take a shower and get out of the house. But we are done at Style Encore, and they bought most of my laundry basket. I really think I fine-tuned what they want, really, because they bought I think they probably left 10 items or less in my bin, which was awesome. So they gave me $87 and some change. So I will put up here what I still have left to pay for. I took significantly less, one of those reusable shopping bags to Plato's Closet. So I would be surprised if I got more than $30 for what they take, but we'll see. We are almost paid for, and I haven't even listed an item yet. It's beautiful. Anyway, I'll be back. Everybody, it is a couple days later. It's actually the day after Easter today that I'm filming this. I'm having kind of the Easter hangover. And I know those two should not be in the same sentence, but just all the running around and everything just really takes it out of you. So anyway, I'm gonna go through, actually, I don't think I went through in the previous part of the video, but Plato's Closet paid me just a little over $18. So I'm gonna put right here what I have left into the rest of my bins haul. I think I only have a few dollars left, and I still have like 3 or 4 bins of items to list. So that will, once the first item sells, the rest will be pure profit. And that's exactly what I like to do with my bin stuff, is while I'm there, pick up things that I know my buy sell trades will take, and that I can, you know, make a profit on the rest of these items like straight away, which is really awesome. So I found 3 pairs of men's jeans at my Plato's Closet. So the first one, and I always pick up things that look weird, so I thought this looked weird. I thought they were like a vintage pair of jeans, and sometimes vintage jeans are very overrated and sometimes they're very underrated. So this brand is called Marithe and Francois Gerbaude, the Stonewash. That's what the back of the tag looks like. I'm thinking I'm gonna get at least 50 bucks for these. They are a size 31 with a regular inseam, and they're just like a really nice pair of straight leg jeans. These were $14. So that was really awesome. Next pair that I got were some Baldwin jeans, which these don't have like the best comps, I'm gonna be honest, but they're in beautiful shape. So that's the tag. It looks to be a newer tag, and that's what the back tag looks like. Baldwin. They are a zipper fly. Okay, the other ones are button fly, but these are like beautiful shape. These retail for a lot, but they're kind of like frame jeans and J brand jeans where they retail for a bunch, but the resale isn't super strong. They're a size 29 in men's, and they are the Henley Slim Street. I'm hoping to get like 65 for these. I did pay 20, but since mine are in like beautiful condition and they're the newer tag, a loud truck is going by, I should be able to get a decent amount for those, and I'll just hold out for the price that I want on those. And then I'm always careful with Citizens of Humanity, but these were a really nice wash, and they're in great shape again as well. And they're the premium vintage. They're the size 29 again, and they're the Corey Slouchy Slim jeans. They do have a button fly. They're in beautiful, beautiful condition, and I should be able to get $65 to maybe even $75 for these. I paid $22 for those, and hopefully they sell fast. The vintage, it seems like the ones that say premium vintage on them are the ones that are selling well right now, so just keep that in mind. Not all Citizens of Humanity are created equal. The next place I went to was Style Encore. Went back into the men's section and looked through the jeans, and I found something that was really great. So these are called Nudie Jeans Co. Very interesting name for a pair of jeans, but they're just like this really nice dark wash men's jean. That's what the back looks like, and that's what the pockets look like. These also have a really great sell-through rate. So I paid $20 for these, and I think I should be able to get at least 60 if I remember right. It's been a few days since I comped everything, but they are a size 33, 34. And yeah, they are. I always find these weird brands at the buy sell trade stores, but they always end up being really good. So this piece I found at the Style Encore, and it was on clearance. This is the tag. It's Custo. And a lot of people have this listed as Custo Barcelona, but it's this like really cool, this is like very Y2K vibes, like waterfall front with the faux fur, and it's got plaid, and then it's got this really cool pastel like tribal print. It almost feels like suede, and I know this is part wool, but I don't think like there's any leather in this, but it's just really cool. Okay, there's the back. Just really cool. I saw like people had these listed for around $100. There's not any sold in the last 90 days. So I know this is probably going to be something that I'm going to sit on, but the right buyer is going to come along for that and purchase it from me. So it is a size small, and I paid around $16 for it. So then I went to another consignment store that I don't really film at. It's just really small, and I just like to look at the sale rack that they have there. So I found these mother jeans. Mother jeans on the sale rack. They were only around $19 I paid for these. They are a tiny size, but I do like to pick up mother jeans. They're the Looker Sacred Slit jeans, and they are a size 24, but I thought the wash was really nice. And I should be able to get like $65 to $75 for these, so that was a great pickup for me on those. And then I did find these Spanx pull-on jeans in a size extra large, and they're the black ones. And they've got some distressing down the front. These don't do as well as they used to. I'm hoping, I think I paid around $10 for these, so I'm hoping to get like 30 to 40. They're in great condition. So that is my haul. What did you guys think of my results from the buy sell trade stores? I am very, very pleased with them. And yeah, that's kind of the goal for sourcing at the bins, is just getting the stuff that I can get out super fast, make that investment back, and then profit, profit, profit. That is what we like. So anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.